I just updated to a brand new phone from the S22 Ultra to the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and I gotta tell you, so far I'm extremely happy with the phone. First of all, it feels solid. It's not heavy, but it has that premium feel to it. For the amount of money that these things cost, I'm really happy with it. We have the metal frame, we've got the Corning Gorilla Glass on the front and the back, and the lenses here. The next thing I noticed about the phone was just how fast it operates. I mean, it flies on here, and that's got to be the Google G5 Tensor chip that they have in the phone. When it comes to opening up apps, it flies like nobody's business. It just moves so quickly that we can get in and out. It moves really well. I can fly in and out of apps without a problem. No worries whatsoever. Another thing I enjoy about this is it's a Google phone, which means it's going to operate really well with the Gemini AI system. We can move in and out. We can get into the camera mode if we want to, take a picture as Gemini about that. We can go in the files. We can go into a live conversation if that's what we want to do. It's just so fast and so quick. And at 120 hertz refresh rate, this phone is on par with anything I've ever gotten out of the S line. Now, the phone comes in 3 different memory capacities. You can go with the 256 base model, which is what I did. You've got the 512 gigabytes and the 1 terabyte size. So be aware that when you go to buy the phone, there is no capability to add an extra micro SD card to it. Now, the phone also is MagSafe, or as Google likes to call it, their Pixel Snap. So this will sit right onto a magnetic phone mount, a wireless charger, whatever you need right there. This phone is good for that. The one bad thing is, with the Gorilla Glass, like with all of these phones, if it gets wet, it can be extremely slippery. So I am definitely going to suggest to you, get a phone case for it, especially with the way that the cameras protrude out here. You're going to want to protect those cameras. Also, don't forget to put the screensaver protector on the front as well. Other than that, overall, this phone has been phenomenal to me. I highly recommend, if you want a phone, no bloatware, and all the technology, this is a beast.